Welcome to my channel back. And I got brought a new toy here. See it? See it? See? It's a monster truck. Look behind it. It's a monster truck. This is the things you can do with this. And this is the note. This is the wheel. This is the one you can charge and do something. And there is a thing is the this was the open. It's opening. It's opening by itself.
Oh yeah.
This is enough doing this. I will open this for you. This one. What time got the box? This is the monster truck, and this is also what's in here. See it? This is battery. This is the charger. This is the charger. This is the battery again. Only 3 things is there. Something else in the box. I don't need this. I'm looking for this and this. This is the charger with this. This is the charger. This. Look. This is here. So here. This is the battery. It connects to here. Goes here. This one goes there. This it beats like this. This is connected. I need to fix. I've fixed this already, and I need to fix this remote. The battery is here. Just get this. I need to fix. I've fixed this already, and I need to fix this remote. The battery is here. Just get this. Give it the. I finished putting the battery here. I need to put the cap back in there. We ready to switch it on. 1. There's a light here. This is done now. And the other one here.
What's going on?
hit the like button. Going to try it. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.